Make a great choice today with the 2019 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, trip computer. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.